So today we're going to take this hat, basically a cheap Christmas hat you can get in Daiso, add some magnets and a little clip and make the Galverse Christmas hat. So yeah, let's do that.
So first off, let's create a quick sketch in Fusion360. Now we got our sketch done, we need to extrude it out. Our magnet is about 3mm thick, so a thickness of about 4mm should be good for this design. We also want to add a little hinge here, so we're going to extrude this out 0.4mm, what should give us a layer thickness of 2 when we slice it in a 3D printer. Now I want to add the extrusions for the yellow and red blocks, and for this only a 1mm extrusion will be enough, as it's only cosmetics we don't need to waste that much filament. But one thing to note when you do this, for multicolor printing you want to make this a new body. Why do you want to do that? So it makes when you import it in your slicer you can actually set the color. If you make it the same, it's actually going to be really hard for you to actually get this certain area the color you want. You have to paint it all by hand, and that's just effort. So now we want to make the hole for our magnet, and our magnet is 6mm in diameter, so making a magnet hole for about 6.1 should give us enough room to make it fit snugly. Now we want to add our extrusion in. For this we're going to go with 3.5mm, as we kind of want a little overhead above it. So we want to add 2 layers of thickness above the magnet to hold it in there. So if we can make it about 2.5, we should be able to easily fit it in and add a 0.5mm cover. Then for a final touch up to make this, well, hinge bend a little bit better, let's cut out some of this square block. And now for design complete, all we need to do is export our file. And to do this, we're going to go in Creators and to the Make setting, and we can export it as a free.mf file. And this allows a file that can hold all the different bodies in, but make sure you actually go and select the tire rack, not individual body, so it doesn't actually save just one body of what we have Think 4 right now. And now opening up Bamboo Studios, we can just drag and drop our file in. And you see, it's actually on the wrong axis, so we just need to make it go on the floor. And now we can actually color it in. When it imports, it's all one color, but we can go and select our AMS and see what colors we have selected and change up those colors, and then we can go and paint in the blocks. And now with this done, we can actually go and slice this file, and then we can take a look at the layers. As we want to add a stop to fit in our little magnets, we can actually do this by going through the layers and selecting the points. Well, it opens up the hole and closes. So we can actually then right click on this point and put a little stop there, so the printer will actually stop, hopefully make some noise, and we can place the magnets and then hit continue. Then we can go and check all that and send it over to the A1 Mini. So our A1 Mini has stopped right here, you can see it there, and this should give us hopefully enough space to fit the magnets in. And they don't fit. They're gonna fit. Oh, there we go. You're gonna fit. Oh! That one doesn't fit. Okay. That's something we may have to change in the design. Let's give it a push. No, we're gonna have to make these holes a little bit bigger. But well, it's a learning experience, and this is the design process. And also the color's wrong. We're using the white, not the gray we loaded up. So we need to change some things with that as well. So let's go and do that and then reprint.
And now we have a little Shinsei Galverse clipped Christmas hat. Pretty cool, right? And there's some still more, design improvements we can do, like the latch here is a little bit too small, didn't really take into account the thickness of the hat, and we could probably reduce actually a lot of this waste plastic gets produced with the colouring. But yeah, it was a pretty cool little test. Learn about fitting magnets inside plastic, you can't really see that there. This one here made some little scars, but we can fix that with some design elements. I think it's a good little test, and we can get these little clips. Yeah, it comes pretty nice, fitting magnets inside there. So if you've got any other ideas of things I can make, little cool things, please hit down in the comments below and we can do a video about it. So that'd be all for today's episode. So thanks for watching. Enjoy it.